Hey everybody, welcome to another quick test professional tutorial brought to you by www.qtptutorial.net. It's our job here to make everybody a guru in quick test professional by providing regular free content, free videos, just so you guys can learn. You may hear from my voice, but I am extremely excited today for multiple reasons. First, we had a webinar last week that just went completely awesome. Everybody loved it. I loved it. I was so glad to host it, and we will definitely do another one in the future. If you missed it, go check it out. I don't think you will be disappointed. The other reason why I'm so excited today is because I got a new computer, and my happiness translates to something good for you guys. Because of that, because of the fact that I got a new computer, I will get to do an installation of QTP for you guys. And you will benefit from watching me and seeing exactly how a QTP installation is done. I'll make it effortless and seamless to make sure everybody is able to do it. What I'm going to do today is install the latest version of QTP, which at the time is now called UFT version 11.5. I am installing it on my Windows 7 computer. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I have the link that you're going to need here. Take that, open your favorite browser, paste it in. Come down here to this drop-down menu and select this, the only option available. Give it a second to load. Start filling out some information. No, thank you. I don't want to be contacted by HP. Company. Country, United States. Yes. Address. Don't worry, guys. I'm just making some stuff up. You don't really have to even put any of your real information except your email. Agree. And you get 1 month of this evaluation license. So make sure that you guys make the best of it. Here it is. I'm going to download it. Execute. Now click Run. Now, guys, keep in mind I'm using the Chrome browser. All browsers perform a little bit differently. If you have Firefox, maybe it will come up here, your download. So that's the only place where you may get confused. But I expect that you guys know how to use your favorite browser. So now it's installing some Akamai Net Session interface. I'm going to pause through all the downloads so that you guys don't have to spend your time watching it. Now it's asking me where I want to save the QTP. Going to put it in here. Save. Told me that it's unable. Sorry about that. That was very unfortunate. It seemed as though it could not save to my shared drive. Don't know why. That shared drive is called Live Drive. It's what I use to keep all my files synced all over my networks. But then I just changed the directory to C, and now as you can see, it's being downloaded. You can see the progress here. Here's the size, about 2 gigs. It will take a little bit of time. I'll get back to you when this download is over. Okay, guys, we're back. Check it out. Progress 100%. It's downloaded. Exit here. Close this, and let's go install our QTP. And there it is. I put it right there. So I just launched it directly from that window, but you guys may have to go to the file and open it, the typical process. And since it's a zip, let me show you. See guys, this is a zip file. For those that don't know what a zip is, let me just show you visually. It's zipped up. It means you have to unzip it. It means you need something like a WinZip or a 7-zip. You can get it for free. Just download it online, Google it. Actually, I'm going to do something better for you guys. Go back here. You can right-click it with WinZip. Extract to here. Use evaluation version. You don't have to buy it either. That's the thing. So much stuff online is free. It makes life so easy these days. You don't have to pay for pretty much anything. Not even awesome QTP tutorial videos. Okay, I'll be back when this is done extracting. Go ahead and grab a cup of coffee, guys. Alright, guys, we are done with the extraction. You see all of these files come out. Don't really worry too much about that. You just have to go ahead and double click this guy. And just follow through the wizard. Okay, then we get this window. It says that it's going to install all of this stuff. Just say okay. Let all this stuff install. I'll get back to you once all this is finished. Awesome, now everything is finished. Let's continue through the process. Just click next. Let's agree. Okay, this part is probably the part you should pay attention for. So here you get to install any other add-ins that you may want to use in the future. Now, if you skip this part, it's okay. You can come back later and install them all. But right now, if you're installing this at your job for your applications, this is where you are deciding which add-in you will need. Okay? So, and that obviously depends on your application. So I will need the web. I'll leave the Visual Basic, ActiveX. Okay, I'll leave all those. Maybe I'll need a Java add-in and .NET add-in, but not for these purposes. So when I need it in the future, I will go ahead and install it. Now, the less add-ins you install, the less space it takes up. So you don't need to install all of them because you will most likely not use all of them at your job. Therefore, the minimal amount of add-ins is best. So I'm just going to leave these and I'm going to hit next. Now this is where it's going to install, and yes, I want to create a desktop shortcut. Now it's ready to install. Let's hit next. Now it's going to go through the installation process. Again, I'll get back with you guys shortly. Awesome, guys. We're almost there. Click the finish button. Okay, a few more things. It just has to set up all this stuff. Click run. It's installing the script debugger, which is very important for debugging with QTP, and then it's going to do some other things. This is usually pretty quick. There it is. So now, here's another very important option. It's with the option you're going to have at your job if you're installing QTP. You may have a concurrent license or a seat license. Concurrent license means your company, gets 5 licenses, and as a result, only 5 users may be using QTP at a time. Okay, that's the difference. Is you can purchase as many concurrent licenses as you need, but it is limited to a certain number of people. Now, we want to do a seat license if we're doing our 30-day trial. And as you can see, the seat license is specific to the computer on which it is installed. Alright guys, so once you have installed your QTP or your UFT, you get this cute little icon down here. If you created a shortcut, all you have to do is double click it and then click continue. And then select your add-in. And you can see they've improved the looks of UFT a lot. And here it is, the new QTP. And you may begin your scripting. All right, guys, I think that's it for the installation. As you can see, the new UFT looks very different from the older versions of QTP. They have come a long way and they've done a lot of different things here. And we will spend the time exploring everything together so that you get caught up on the latest unified functional testing. I'm very glad to have done this video for you guys. I don't think it has ever been done where somebody has actually gone through the whole process and installed QTP step by step through a video. So I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you like it, guys. Just a few reminders, a few kind of bonuses for you guys. If you go to our site at qtptutorial.net and you sign up with just a simple email and your name, you're going to get a top 5 tool guide that we use on a daily basis to improve our automation careers. Most of them are under $75 and some of them are even free. So go ahead there, just sign up with your email, you'll get that guide for free. Also, you may get some free ebooks coming to your email in the future if you stick around. I don't know, not saying too much, but kind of giving you a hint. And of course, guys, we are always here for you. Anytime you have any questions, concerns, comments, even about this video, you know we're here on YouTube. Just go ahead, leave us a comment. If you want to go to Facebook, we are here. And if you want to go to Twitter, we are at QTP Tutorial Net. So go anywhere you like, guys. Leave us questions. We'll support you. We are a community. We want to work together. Thanks again for tuning in. It's been a pleasure. We'll see you guys next time where we explore all the new features of Unified Functional Tester. Take care.